Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited. I'm going to unbox Dalgona by Belle Tress in the color British Milk Tea. I ordered this piece in January 10th and I just received it because the color British Milk Tea had not been released yet. And I just received it yesterday. I actually had it mailed from Belle Tress to Andrea over at Wig Studio One in Washington because I was in the middle of traveling and I didn't want it to be bouncing back and forth between Florida and Kansas. So it got to Andrea in Washington on last Friday, and she mailed it to me right on Monday, and I just got it today. So here it is. I haven't opened it. I'm so excited. I have been wanting this Dalgona for ever since I first saw it, and I wanted it in the British Milk Tea. Right now, I'm wearing Amaretto, also by Belle Tress, in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. And I chose this one especially because that way I can compare both colors for you. Let me tell you a little bit about Dalgona. Dalgona is actually the most researched coffee on the internet, and basically what it is, it's equal parts, get this, it's equal parts of instant coffee, sugar, water, and then it's mixed with a caramel paste and placed on top of placed on top of milk. I thought that was pretty interesting, and of course I had to share it with you. And you're like, Marlene, we just want to see the wig. Cut it out. All right, moving on. Gosh, this looks beautiful. And of course, I'm going to take you outside so you can see it in the sunlight. We actually have a little bit of sun today. I want to make a special mention about something. I do not return wigs. If a wig doesn't work for me, I pass it on. I donate, I sell, I give it away, but I do not return wigs. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with returning. Actually, Wig Studio One has an excellent return policy. I like to go ahead and review them, whether I'm going to keep them or not, so you could see what they actually look like. I'm taking off the net. So if you are not sure of if you're going to keep a wig or not, you want to look at the color and see if you like it. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful color. We have a medium to dark root, and we have a mixture of 8 different tones of browns and blondes. It's not really a cool color or a warm color. It's a nice neutral, so it's going to look really pretty on a number of different skin tones. Because I know I am not going to return it, I'm going to take off the tag. If you think you're going to return a wig, don't take off the tag. If you are brand new to wigs, what you do is you look at the color, leave the tag on. There's a zigzag part on the top, leave it as B, and just inspect it that the lace front, since I'm right here, I'm going to show you the cap. We have a left monofilament side part, and it looks nice and generous, that part. We have a temple to temple lace front. Felt covered ear tabs with the fibers coming out from the ear tabs to give it a more realistic look. Bra strap adjusters, an extended nape. And we have a nice stretch to the cap. This is a wefted cap. There seems to be a minimal amount of permatease right next to the monofilament side part, but it is minimal. There's almost nothing there, and it's probably there just as it is here, just to give it that little bit of style. Once again, because I know I'm going to keep it, I am going to go ahead and comb it. I'm going to take away the zigzag part. Oh my gosh, this color is luscious. It is absolutely beautiful. A beautiful, beautiful blend. There are 8 browns and blondes in here mixed together. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's hold it next to, very close to brown sugar sweet cream. So if brown sugar sweet cream is a color that you really like, you'd probably really like this one. I think that in the British milk tea, there's a little bit more of platinum, not platinum, maybe an more ashy blonde than there is in brown sugar sweet cream. Yeah, very, very pale ash blonde. And hopefully when we go outside, you'll be able to really see it. And the rooting is done really pretty because we have that medium root, but we also have the mixture of all the different browns and the different blondes going through the root. So we don't have that stark root. Very similar to how we have brown sugar sweet cream. All right, now I'm going to give it a nice shake. I'm going to spray a little bit of water. I can tell you right now, I am just smitten with this style. Really pretty. I believe this is a little bit longer than Columbia. Just gonna spritz it a little bit of water. Real modern and edgy, textured waves. Perfect. All right, let's put her on and see what she looks like. And yes, I have to wear a cap to keep my hair in there. I'm not wearing a wig grip right now because I'm not leaving the house. Otherwise, I'd be wearing my wig grip. I've got a hummingbird outside my window. Oh my gosh. Is this not gorgeous? Nice part. Make sure she's straight. Very nice fit. It almost covers my hairline right there. It's very similar to all of my other Belle Tress. Some of the light fibers right at the hairline. And if the hair wants to go in the face like this does, I'm just going to move the part just a little bit. The heat of my hand, just try to train it a little bit. Oh my gosh, this color, the blend is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. As soon as Wig Studio One had it on the website, I went ahead and I ordered it. And I knew that it was going to be long. But you know what happens when there is a new style or a new color that's just launched? If you don't order it right away because you don't want to wait because it's on back order or it hasn't started shipping yet, when they start shipping, the first orders are the ones that are shipped. So what has happened to me in the past, I would say, oh, I'll wait until it's in stock. That's what I'll do. So I've waited. Well, sure enough, as soon as it's in stock, and those first orders, and it could be hundreds of orders that come in, then it's back ordered, and then I've had to wait another 2 or 3 months. So now when I see something I want, even if I have to wait a month or 2 or 3, like this one, or 5, I'll just wait, and then I get a surprise. Beautiful, beautiful, soft, silky, luxurious fibers. I think that they have done an amazing job. These fibers feel even better than they did. They must have done something to the fibers. I'm just still trying to train it because it wants to fall in my face. But once you train it a little bit, and of course this is heat friendly fiber, so I can use a flat iron, I could use steam, I could use a curling iron. I'm not going to use any of that. I might use a little bit of steam if I feel that I need to train it a little bit more. There is a little bit of a lift here. Oh my gosh, but this color has so much dimension. And it goes from the roots all the way down to the tips. All right, let me show you Dalgona on all sides. Beautiful, beautiful. I think that if you're a brunette, you can wear this, and if you're a blonde, you can wear this. It is just beautiful, and I can wear it because the root matches my brows. We have a dark root and that's what I need. When I was unboxing it, I neglected to say that this is 16, the Dalgona in 16 inches. There's also a 23 inches. The measurements on Dalgona are 10 to 14 inches on the sides. But you know what? I don't have a bang size, but as you can see, there are some shorter fibers on the front. My face from hairline to chin is almost 8 inches. It's 7 3/4. So we do have some shorter ones right here. And then 10 to 14 inches on the sides. We have a nape of 8.5, and we have an overall of the 16 inches, the back is 16 inches, and the weight is 5.1 ounces. Feels very, very, very light. And of course, no permatease. Dalgona doesn't feel as having high density. I think we're getting the volume from these textured waves. And very deconstructed, very, I don't know. I just washed my hair, or I've gotten for an amazing, I've spent hours in the salon getting this color and this cut and getting my hair this way. Yeah. Alrighty, let's take a walk outside so you can see this beautiful color in the sunlight. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.